Find the quotient when this cubic equation is divided by this quadratic and show that the remainder is x. Hence, find the exact value of this integral here between 0 and 1. So I've summarized the question here then. Let's have a look at it. Let's do long division then. So we've got x squared plus 3 and we want to divide that into the 3x cubed minus the x squared plus 10x minus 3. Look at the leading terms. How many x squared is going to 3x squared? Well, there's 3 lots of x, aren't there? Times it through, we get the 3x cubed, which is what we want, but we also get 9x. 9x, take them away, one from the other. So these cancel, that's why we're doing it. We get minus x squared minus nothing is minus x squared. 10x, take away the 9x is x. And then minus 3, take away nothing is minus 3. Repeat the same process now. How many of these x squareds go into minus x squared? It's minus 1. Multiply through, minus x squareds. And then minus 3. Take them away from one another. This take away minus, they cancel, that's why we're doing it. X take away nothing is x. Minus 3 take away minus 3 is plus 3, which is plus 0. So we get a remainder of x. Show that the remainder is x, which we've done. So let's just emphasize that. So the remainder is x. Hence find this integral. So part 2 now. So let's label it I. I is equal to then. Okay, so we got this thing here, which is what we've just done the division for. So this will go into, this will divide, this thing here will divide into the numerator this many times. 0 to 1 of the 3x minus 1 plus the remainder, which is x over the x squared plus 3. dx. Okay, let's turn our attention to this then. Integrate term by term. 3x squared, raise the power by 1, divide by that number. Integral minus 1, constant goes to constant times x. And then here we've got something underneath, multiplied by, and on top we've got this, a multiple of the something differentiated. This is a log of x squared plus 3, isn't it? So let's write that down then. Natural logarithm of x squared plus 3. When we differentiate this in our mind's eye, log of something goes to 1 over the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2x. We've only got 1, so we need to put a half in. And that needs to be evaluated between 0 and 1. So let's have a look at that then. Put the top value in, 3 over 2. Put 1 in there, minus 1, plus a half, ln 1 in here. 1 plus 3 is 4. That's the top value then. Take away the bottom value, put 0 in here, 0 in here, and we just simply get the half part, don't we? Half of log of 3, isn't it? So what do we get then? We get 3 over 2 minus 1, which is a half. A half, take away log 4, take away log 3 with a half, is plus a half, ln of 4 over 3, isn't it? Because we can use the divide rule in logarithms to do the log, take the log. Half plus a half log 4/3.